Hello guys, today we work with our book, page number 120, 120, and we are going to work with this page because it's very important. Look, vamos a saber, how can you help at home? ¿Cómo pueden ayudar? Look at this guys, toys, the toys, we could put them on a place like in a box. That way we can put them in order, okay? The clothes, you can fold the clothes, you can help mom and dad with the clothes. No la debemos dejar por todos lados, okay? So let's help at home. Vamos a ayudar en casa. Now, what can't you do because it's dangerous? You see that? We need to be careful around the kitchen. Okay, also, we need to be careful with knives. You see that? Knife. The knife is dangerous. We need to be careful. Okay, so choose from these ones, choose what activity do you do at home. ¿Con cuál le ayudan a papá y mamá ahí en casa? And then we need to trace the letters. Vamos a trazar nuestras letras. Tenemos toys. Remember, you can do it better than me because, okay, sometimes I can't write very good with this tool. See that? Toys. Let's trace the words. Toys, clothes, stove, apple. Okay? Very good. Muy bien. Now, at the end, aquí en este rectangle, we have to draw. What chore do you do at home? ¿Cuál actividad o con qué ayudan en casa? ¿Ok? Eso es lo que tenemos que hacer ahí al final. Así que vamos a terminar nuestro trabajo. Y si no asistieron a clase, recuerden, me lo pueden mandar a Classroom o aquí les reviso yo en su libro. Bueno, see you later guys. Nos vemos el día de mañana. Bye.